Hello, this is Dr. Finn from Green Burial Sanctuary and Canine Rehab here with Oak. I really felt inspired to share with you a story of courage and grief that a client of mine who I helped out yesterday showed. So her dog had inoperable hemangiosarcoma, which is tumors that bleed. And he was on Chinese herbs to help diminish the bleeding, but he was basically a walking time bomb. And though her heart was extremely broken, she did not want him bleeding in the middle of the night and having to go to an emergency hospital and have him die under fluorescent lights. Nobody wants to die under fluorescent lights. So we made the plan that I would meet them at his favorite place on the planet, and luckily Mother Nature cooperated, so it was absolutely beautiful. And though he was still able to walk and move around, she was courageous, and she knew, I want my dog's last moments to be beautiful and in my arms. So she had to make the devastating decision for me to humanely put him to sleep in an environment that was beautiful, and she was hugging him, and there's got to be a deep hole in her heart right now. But I just so admire her courage and not just hoping it worked out, which is not a thing, and or risking having to be rushing him to an emergency hospital late at night. Was it the right day? Was it the best day? There are no right answers when we're dealing with the end of life for us or for our beloved pets. But when you are faced with a decision, I'd invite you to remember this client's courage in making the choice of what she wanted her dog's end to look like for her and her dog. Bye for now, coming to you from Green Burial Pet Sanctuary. And if you are needing to discuss these things or bounce them off of someone, you can feel free to reach out to me at greenburialpetsanctuary.com, or you may find some solace in the book I wrote, Love Letters from the Circle of Life with Animals. Its subtitle is Finding Gratitude and Beauty in Heartbreak and Grief. And to me, this is almost a perfect example of that. It was a beautiful day in a beautiful place that I'd never been to before. And so now I will always associate that place with this dog and that client. So coming to you from my heart, bye for now.